Hi everyone, this video is going to be showing you how to create formulae using cell references and arithmetic operations. And if you've seen the previous one where I was explaining why you should be using cell references and actually what cell references are, then you've already seen bits of this in action. And if I go back to my Apple pricing VAT stuff, we have here a normal default price VAT, which is 17%, and then a total which is the cell reference of C2 plus the multiplication of C2 times D2, and again in color this is C2, that is D2. And you get the idea already that Excel uses the plus sign to add up things and the asterisk to multiply things, and that's generally the whole idea. So if I was to say add in a new column and say I don't know, storage cost, and then I'll just say 0.1, and let's say I don't know, profit per item, then I could say this minus that. And you know, obviously VAT minus storage is not, you know, it's not real profit, don't get bogged down in it. What we're looking at is the logic, how to use cell references with arithmetic functions. And you've seen here that you have the plus and then the whole idea with parentheses and multiplication, and here you have one being deducted from the other. And if you want to say you want to divide the items, it pretty much goes the same way around, and I'm just going to randomly divide items here, so I'll just divide this by that, appreciating it makes no sense at all. But the logic is the same, you just use normal mathematical functions, and that's the simple way around it. So it's plus, minus, divide and multiply, or the basic arithmetical functions. There is more to it, there is something to the power of something, and you can do square roots and a few other ones, but for the time being we're not dealing with that. Nonetheless, any questions you may have, do drop me a comment and I'll try to reply. Thank you.